This meal is simple and bold. It offers a truly remarkable dining experience without demanding hours of your time or a complex culinary skill set. The foundation of this dish is a perfectly grilled New York strip steak, a cut celebrated for its robust, beefy flavor and for its satisfyingly firm texture. When cooked correctly, it delivers a deeply savory experience that is both primal and refined. But the steak, as magnificent as it is, doesn't stand alone. It is part of a carefully constructed trio of flavors and textures: steak, chimichurri, roasted sweet potatoes, asparagus. The true genius of this meal lies in the interplay between its core elements. To achieve the best results, it is imperative to begin with quality ingredients. The list is short and straightforward, proving that exceptional flavor does not require a pantry full of exotic items. For the steak, the star of our show, you will want to select 2 well-marbled New York strip steaks, each approximately 1 to 1.5 inches thick. The thickness is key to achieving a great sear on the outside while maintaining a perfectly cooked interior. You will only need a good quality olive oil for coating, coarse sea salt, and freshly cracked black pepper for seasoning. For the chimichurri, the vibrant sauce that will elevate the entire dish, the focus is on freshness. You will need 1 packed cup of fresh flat-leaf parsley, 3 to 4 cloves of finely minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano leaves, or 1 teaspoon dried. Add 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and salt to taste. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees or 200 degrees. Toss cubed sweet potatoes with 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Spread them in a single, even layer so they roast, not steam. Roast for 15 minutes to begin caramelization. That high heat develops natural sugars and those delicious crispy edges. Move the potatoes to one side of the pan. Add the asparagus to the other side. Drizzle with the remaining tablespoon of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Finish roasting for another 10 to 12 minutes until the potatoes are tender and the asparagus is crisp tender. While the vegetables roast, finely mince the parsley and oregano by hand for traditional texture. Mix with minced garlic, red wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, and 1/2 cup olive oil. Season with salt and let it sit at room temperature until serving. This timing keeps your kitchen calm and your components on schedule. About 20 minutes before cooking, remove the New York strips from the refrigerator to temper. Pat them completely dry to ensure a deep, flavorful crust. Rub lightly with olive oil, then season aggressively with coarse salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Preheat your grill to high heat, at least 450 degrees or 232 degrees. Carefully place the seasoned steaks onto the hot grill grates. For a 1-inch steak, cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. Add a minute or 2 per side for thicker cuts. Use tongs to press the fat cap against the hot grate for about 60 seconds until crisp and rendered. Check doneness with an instant read thermometer, 130, 135 degree, 54-57 degrees for medium rare, 140, 145 degrees, 60-63 degrees for medium. Once at temperature, remove the steaks and transfer to a clean cutting board to rest. The single most important step after the steak comes off the grill is to let it rest. As the steak cooks, its muscle fibers tighten and push moisture toward the center. Rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the juices redistribute evenly throughout the meat. Slice too soon and those precious juices run onto the board, leaving the steak dry. To ensure maximum tenderness, identify the grain and slice against it. Cut into thick, appealing strips about a 1/2 inch wide to shorten the muscle fibers and enhance tenderness. That pink, juicy interior is your reward for proper grilling and resting. Your vegetables should finish roasting as the steak rests. Create a colorful base with sweet potatoes and crisp, tender asparagus. Arrange the sliced New York strip alongside for striking contrast. Finish with a generous spoonful of chimichurri over the steak and onto the vegetables.